Good morning, good morning. Today is gonna be a beach day. It's our first official day at our new location. We're staying here for 3 nights, 2 more, and then we're going to Olbia for 2 nights. We're staying upstairs, right there. They have turtles. They have turtles at this house. They have 2. One small one right over there, and the bigger one is right over here. Yeah, going to the beach. Yo guys, so we are at the beach. We found a nice spot right here, and we're catching super small shrimps.
Super small.
I don't know if you can even see them. Look right there, you can see them in the water. Yes sir, a nice spot we found here. So guys, we are walking back to the car. So I walked all the way over here, saw this nice beach.
All the way?
Saw this nice beach because these lazy people, they didn't want to do that. They want to stay at the crowded beach. So I had to do it for them. I found the beach, I told them, and then we went there. We stayed there for like 3 hours or something like that. Super nice. And now we're going back to the car. So guys, we just came back from the beach. I'm just gonna show you the house right now. So we are staying upstairs. This is the entry. This is ours. So this is my mom and dad's room. Nice and easy. This is the bathroom. This is our room. Moet ook zo meteen fietsen. Ja?
Oh nee, ik dacht ik ga meteen douchen.
And this is our outside. Wait, sorry. This is the outside. Hi guys, so we just ate. Now we're back in our place in Valeteria, and there's like a market, so we're gonna look what's up. So guys, it's like a street market with a lot of wine and stuff like that. And you can get like a small yellow bag with a wine glass, and you can get everywhere wine and wine taste a little bit. And it's a little bit like a cultural something. So yeah, it's quite nice. And it's super close to our house, so it's just like a street event right here. Music, wine, food, everything. Super nice.